Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Godzilla and the Carnotaurus from Jurassic World as one character. So let's get started right now. All right, let's go over how to draw Godzilla versus, mixed with Carnotaurus. It's a dinosaur from Jurassic World. Yeah, let's do it. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with a face, and that's where the differences begin. We're gonna draw a line right here. Carnotaurus has a really short face, so line up there, curve all the way down, curve back over here, and another right here on the cheek. Cool, cool. Gonna go over here to the head. Carnotaurus has these two like horns on top of its head. Go over here. And let's keep going over here to the eye area, okay? So right here in the eye area, I'm going to pull up, curve, line underneath, dot over here, line, line. Go over here to the nasal portion of it, the nose. Curve along there for kind of like, a little bit of change in plane on the face. Line underneath and down over here. Trying to give as many as we can because I think I don't want it to look too Godzilla-ish. I want it to see some difference in it, and I think also the horns really in the short face. I think right there. See, you can draw little thin lines right there to kind of make the horns a little bit more noticeable. There we go. Line over here on the side. There we go. And let's go over here now. Draw the teeth in right there. Just these little triangular shapes aiming down. And, we're occasionally changing the size of them. Curve underneath. Back of the jaw right here. A little bit of some spikiness in there. There we go. And then we're going to go over here to the bottom right there and put in this bottom teeth. If you have any mixture ideas, like of two different characters, two different, I don't know, dinosaurs, two different anything, please let me know and I'll try to get it done. Just write it in the comment section. Curve down over here. And let's have the tongue sticking out right there. Line over here under the neck. Line over here. And I'm going to now go into the Godzilla features, which is really big, really wide, right body. That's, a big part of it. I'm going to go over here and try, well, not yet, but kind of wiggle down over here for the snake belly area. It's going to have curved arm over here, like you're going to see the top of the arm. Because if you know Carnotaurus, one of the most specific things about Carnotaurus is how tiny Carnotaurus' arms are in comparison to the rest of the body. So right off the bat, it's going to have Godzilla's body right there. Line under here. Let's go over here now. We're going to start the spiking process here. There. Line over here. Over here now on this side. Over here. And throw a little bit more. I'm drawing these spikes like mountains, right? And I'm curving them right there because there's a slight bit of perspective right going on over here. Curve over here now. Curve on this side. Line over here. Line over here in this area. All right. And now we're going to go here to the snake belly. It's like that area of the front of the body. Curve. Line over here. Curve. 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 Curve right there. Curve right here. And we really, really want some texture, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a little, see these little curves right here? Little tiny ones. And I'm going to try to keep it light. I might even, if I'm using the marker right now, well, first thing I'm going to do is, like I saw right now, let's draw a little dark right here under the neck. Kind of give it a little more noticeability. But you can kind of put your hand a little further back if you're using a marker. You can draw little small curves around there. Little small curves. There we go. Around this area, just to kind of over here. Just, you know, you can kind of pepper it around. It doesn't have to be completely covered, but you want to get enough of it covered so that it, you know, makes some sense. It doesn't look like a, you know, tattoo or something like that. Right on. There we go. Kind of going over here, and we're just kind of placing these little lines, even up here, up the mountains right there. Just kind of throwing these little lines again to give it texture and to give it a little bit of scale so it looks a little bit bigger, right? We're drawing these thin lines along everywhere, and the thin lines are in comparison, you know, make everything else look larger over here. So, yeah, good stuff. Line over here. Line over here. And we're just, again, throwing these, we're just peppering it around to kind of give it that effect. Don't forget, if you like this sort of thing, don't forget to hit the like button. Makes, you know, all the difference in the world. I appreciate it. Alrighty. And that is it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And you're amazing. So stay here for the next drawing lesson, okay? Let's get started on that one. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.